We're here today at Carpetland USA Flooring Center, Builder Showcase's flooring expert, to talk to Dave about the latest trends in flooring. Well, hi, Dave.
Hello.
So, Dave, what's new and exciting in flooring these days?
Well, the newest, hottest thing right now is manufacturers taking pets into consideration when they're manufacturing products. So let's take this carpet right here, made by Stainmaster. The nice thing about it is it has a special yarn that doesn't hold odor. So when you go to clean the carpet, you're going to be able to get all that pet odor out. Also, a lot of the products now have a special backing on there, so if an accident happens, it doesn't soak through past the backing into the subfloor. Again, when it comes time to clean it, it's going to be that much easier to get the smell and the stains out.
Oh, how nice. And it's also very attractive and comes in an array of colors and patterns.
It does. It's very nice.
What do you have that's pet-friendly in hard surfaces?
Well, there's a lot of products that are pet-friendly in hard surface. Let's take this, for instance. When it's down on the floor, this looks like a real hardwood floor, but it's actually solid vinyl, and it's waterproof. So the nice thing is, if you put this in your kitchen and let's say a dog bowl, a water bowl spills on the floor, a traditional wood floor would swell up and cause damage. This doesn't. You just take a rag and wipe it up. It's also very scratch resistant. You can scratch it, but it's very difficult to scratch. So again, very, very pet friendly.
And it's also very attractive as well.
Yes, it is.
Now, what is the best way to choose the right product for yourself and your pets?
Well, I'd recommend going into one of our 6 locations. We do a lot of sales training with our sales staff. Talk about how you use your room, how many pets you have, what your problems are with your current products, and then we'll find products that fit your needs.
Oh, sounds fantastic. Thanks so much for talking to us today, Dave. To learn more, stop by one of Carpetland USA Flooring Center's many locations.